I am just a little baby chicks sleeping in the barnyard. Teeny chameleon blending into their world. I am a lamp's little light. I am a baby platypus, a rare marvel of nature. I am a fawn, the young deer of the forest. I am a baby zebra, born with stripes of wonder. I am a baby elephant and I love to play in the mud. I am a fluffy penguin chick. I am a baby fox and I am ready to explore the world. I am a baby hippo basking in the water warmth. I am a baby seal, a fluffy bundle of beauty and joy. I am a little joy in my mother's pouch. I am a bear cub